Hey everyone, Sam from Original Garage Moto. Today we're going to talk about our OG Touring steering damper kits. Our OG Touring steering damper kit will help dampens and absorbs unwanted handlebar movement, more commonly referred to as high-speed wobbles. Our steering damper kits are designed to greatly improve high-speed stability, steering feedback, and overall rider confidence. This kit will also reduce rider fatigue on the longer rides. Engineered and tested by our team, these kits feature the exact same damper used on our bagger GP Road Glide, delivering proven high-performance stability for real-world riders. These kits comes in two damper options. You can choose between the premium Öhlins 120 mils damper or the Italian-made Matris speed-sensitive damper as a more budget-friendly alternative. Both damper are fully adjustable for compressions, Öhlins being adjustable in 16 well-defined clicks, while the Matris being adjustable in 13 clicks. These kits include CNC machine from 6061 T6 billet aluminum, bracket, and fork clamps. They also include complete stainless steel and ARP mounting hardware. Our OG Touring steering damper will fit most 2014 to 2023 Harley Touring bagger models with 49mm front ends. Some Road Glides model may require our fairing support brackets. These kits are also not compatible with the CVO lower fairing spoiler found on the Road Glide models. They do not fit touring models equipped with an ultra-cool side oil cooler. Finally, these kits may not be compatible with some of the larger OEM crash bar. Please contact us for specific fitment guidance if you have any question on that. Alright guys, if you have any question about this product, feel free to give us a call or send us an email. We're always glad to help. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.